standard door should have a bracket similar to this little button on the end there. It's going to be this loop over the cable, pop over the bottom of the button here, and come on, maybe, there we go, just like that. Then we'll weave it through here, come on, get there, all the way up the back of all of those rollers, all the way back up to the drum there. So you see the backs are there, you do that, and that crimp catches. So that way when you wind, following this track here, then it stays just like that. And you'll see it's all taut. So you want to keep it as tight as you can. This one we have to tighten with a wrench. Always hand tighten first. Wow, it's really loose. And you just go from there.